Welcome to week 7, guys. I am Sissy Morris. It's good to have you back again. Yeah, it's a good day to learn. So this week I'm going to teach you the various types of charts, how to use the filtering tool, and then also recap on AUTOSUM tool. All this on your spreadsheet WPS application. Okay, first off, what is a chart? A chart is a graph, and also a chart is a graphical or a visual representation of data from your worksheet. Don't forget that, guys. Now, a chart usually bring more understanding of what data you have on your worksheet. It makes you understand it better. Do you understand? Not just looking at the numbers or whatever you've done in that, as in on your worksheet, but the chart will, as in, summarize it very, very precisely, so that you understand what you have or the content you have in your data. All right, so that's what the chart does. Now, there are various types of charts in spreadsheets. You have the column chart, you have the bar chart, you have the area chart, you have the pie chart, and you also have the line charts. Now, this is the line chart, this is the area chart, the column chart, the bar chart. This is a pie chart, okay? Here's a pie chart. All right. You also have 3D charts, all right? So I'm going to show us that practically in a jiffy. Meanwhile, also note that when you are doing filtering in spreadsheets, you can filter something in both ascending and descending order. All right, I'm going to show you that practically soon. Then last week I showed us how to use the AUTOSUM tool, and I told us that the AUTOSUM in a spreadsheet program is a function that adds together a range of cells and displays the total in a cell, as in a cell you leave below. Okay, I'm still going to recap on that. So guys, let's delve in straight to the practicals. Okay, so I'm going to open my spreadsheet environment right away. So remember, to open spreadsheet, just click on this plus button here, right? Then click on spreadsheet and choose your blank presentation. Meanwhile, I already have one that is open, so let me go ahead and bring it. Okay guys, this was what we did last week. We did something on boys and girls, right? So let me go ahead and delete this chart I have, because I'm going to insert the various type of charts right now, so you can learn the various types of charts we have. All right, so let me delete this. Okay, now I want to start to teach you all the various types of charts we have in Excel using this data we've imputed. All right, if you don't know how to impute this data, you can go back to the last class video, then you can just click on the cell and then type whatever you want to type to impute your data. All right, so that is boys there. Okay, so I said for you to insert any type of chart on the data you have on your screen, just click on the first cell where you have your data imputed, then click on this wrap point to select the range of the data you want to use for your chart, right? Then you go to your insert, so you click on your navigation button like I've just done, and then go to the insert ribbon tab. Under the insert ribbon tab, you're going to find charts. This is your chart tool. Now, under charts, there are various types of charts there. You have the column charts. Can you see that? Can you see the column charts? You have the bar charts, line charts, pie charts, area charts, scatter chart, and radar charts. Now, let me show you what the column chart looks like. So I'm going to click on that and select one type of column chart and say OK. Okay, guys, this is a column chart, all right? This is what a column chart. This is how a column chart looks like. Now I'm going to delete this and show us the next type of chart. Now I'll go back to my navigation button. You already know where that is. This is my navigation button here. I'm coming. This is my navigation button. So once you click, you go back to charts under your insert tool, charts. Now I don't need a column chart. I want a a line chart. So let me click on line charts. All right. So I can select any type of line chart I want here and say okay. All right. So here is a good example of a line chart. Can you see that, guys? So this is a line chart. Can you see that? Just with a line. Okay, I'm going to delete the line chart and insert another type of chart right away. Okay, while my data is still selected, I'll go to my navigation bar and then click on charts. Now I want another type of chart. The type of chart I want this time around is the bar chart. Okay, let me try the bar chart. Can you see how the bar chart looks like? Let's select this type of bar chart and you click on OK. Once you select, you click on OK. Okay, guys, can you see the bar chart? This is what the bar chart looks like. Can you see the bar chart? Yeah, this is the bar chart. Okay, this is the bar chart. All right, I'm going to delete the bar chart and let me increase this so you see what it looks like. Okay, let me delete it. I don't need it right now. I want to insert another type of chart. So I'll still go back to my navigation button, click on charts, then select the pie chart. All these are the various types of charts. Under the types of charts, this type of chart here, this type of pie chart is called the donut pie chart. These are the donut pie charts, okay? While these are the regular types of pie charts. So let me just select this normal pie chart and say okay. And click on my okay. Okay. So this is your pie chart. This is what the pie chart looks like. All right. Yeah, this is the pie chart. Okay. And then one last type of chart there. You can also check the rest yourself, but let me just show us one type so that I can go to other things we have. So I'm going to select under the charts. Let me try the area chart. So we see, can you see the area chart? This is what it looks like, and you say okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, I've succeeded in showing us the various types of charts we have, right? So I'm going to go to something else right away. I'm going to show us how to use the filter tool immediately. Okay, guys, let's do that immediately. Now, I'm going to click delete everything I have on my worksheet. So I'm going to delete the charts and delete all the data I have here. I'll just clear the contents. Okay. Now I want to teach us how to use the filter and sorting tool. How do we use that? Let's say we have names of people. Maybe on this cell here, I have let me impute something there. To impute, just double tap there and click on the cell, then type what you want to impute. Let me say name, and instead of name, let me put here, I'll make it first name. Let me make it first name. Okay. Then here, surname. All right. Okay. Now, so if I have someone's first name as Chibuike, and Chibuike's surname is Osas. Okay. Then again, I have another name like Tony, and Tony's surname is Sarah. Then I have another name here. Let's say the name I have here is let's say Matthew, and Matthew's surname is Brown. Okay, now, okay, let me add one more name here that starts with A, with the alphabet A. So let's say I have a name here called Akin, and Akin's surname is let's say Bold. Okay, okay, let's call it Ball. What is a great surname here? Okay, let Akin's surname be Bullock. All right. Now, if I want to filter, if I want to apply filtering to what I have here, all I need to do, if I want to arrange these names, if I want to sort this name from ascending to descending order, all I need to do is to select first, where I have first name, I want to auto sort the first name here, as in I want the computer to arrange the names that are starting with A first before the ones that comes with C in alphabetical order. So all I need to do after selecting it, right? After selecting it, I'll click on my navigation bar, then click on the data ribbon tab. Don't forget that it's on the data ribbon tab that you find the filter, then ascending and descending. Can you see that the ascending tool is from A to Z, while the descending is from Z to A? All right. So let's try the first one. Let's sort those data in ascending order. So you click on ascending order and click on selected area, because you want it to just focus on the selected area. Let's do that again. So we click on ascending and then click on selected area. Guys, can you see what happened now? If you notice, you see that it arranged our names accordingly, according to alphabets. Do you understand? The first alphabet. Can you see that? But if you notice, this does not affect the son name. So I'm going to reverse. I'm going to go back and do it properly. To do it properly, you need to select what you want to do again. Then you go back. Under your data, make sure you click on sort ascending. Just click on ascending here. Now, instead of using selected area, use expand to other areas. Can you see that it took both the data on the other cell? Now, Akin, sorry, I'm going to redo that again. There's an error here, as in, so I'm going to redo that again. So let me select that. Okay. So when you click on your ascending order, let's see. Can you see that, guys? Very, very simple. If you click on descending, can you see that, guys? So let me do that again. In order to arrange this data you have here in alphabetical order or in descending order, alphabetically too, all you need to do is to select the range of data you want. So you click on the first cell and then highlight all the names, right? Then you click on ascending order to sort it as in from the first letter to the last letter, alphabetically like that. So if I click on ascending, can you see I have Akin Bullock, Chibuike Osas, Matthew Brown, then Toyin Sarah. Let's check what will happen when we do it in descending order. Of course, if we do it in descending order, Toyin Sarah will be the first there, and then Matthew will be the second. Let's try that. So let me click descending order. Can you see that? Toyin Sarah is the first, Matthew Brown second, like that. If I click on ascending order again, let's see what happens when I click on ascending order. Ascending order. Can you see that? Okay, guys, so that's how to do the filtering and sorting in ascending and descending order. Now, quickly, I'm going to show us how to use the AUTOSUM tool again, because I mentioned that in our first class. So let me recap on that. So I'm going to clear the content I have here. So I said the AUTOSUM tool is used for as in summing up as in a range of data you have in a cell, as in a range of numbers of data you have in a cell. Let's say here I have like, if I have 45 and I have 60, sorry, let me use 67 and I have 5. Now if I select all these three together, if I select all this, I'm going to leave a cell down here, just a cell, so that the total will come under the cell. So I can just click on my navigation button and then click on the AUTOSUM tool. The AUTOSUM tool is still under the data ribbon tab. So once I click on it, if I click on sum, can you see the sum total of all this figure I have, 45 plus 47 plus 5, will definitely give you what? 117. All right. Now, let's say I don't want to do AUTOSUM. I can do auto average. How do I do auto average? Let me delete this figure here and do that. So if I select my content, I'll leave a space down. I'll leave an extra cell so that I'll see my total there. Now I want to do auto sum, but this time I'll do auto average. All right, so I'll go to my AUTOSUM. Once you click on AUTOSUM, can you see you can do AUTOSUM, you can do auto average, you can do max, you can do min. Let me just show you the auto average. Now the average of 45, 67 and 5, what will it give us? Can you see that? The average of 45, 67 and 5 will give you 35. Okay guys, that's that about your AUTOSUM tool. Then last thing I'm going to show us here is the file extension name for an Excel, spreadsheet. If you watch here, I said that, note that spreadsheet file extension name is what? .xls or .xlsx. All right. Now let me show you that. Let me go back to the Excel spreadsheet. Let's say you want to save this. Let's say you want to save this thing you have on here, and you click on, let me click on file, save as. You will note that when you click on your location where you want to save, let's say I want to save on my phone, and I've given it I've typed the name of the document I want to save. Let's say I want to save this thing as week 7. Now, please note here, guys. Can you see that here? Can you see that here under the file extension name you have .xls? Can you see that? Let me click to see other options under file extension name. Can you see that Excel extension name is .xls? Sorry guys. I'm coming. Let me go back there and show us. All right. Let me click on it again. Can you see Excel extension name can be .xls or .xlsx. All right. So those are the two formats of file extension name for spreadsheets. Don't forget that, guys. All right, guys. That's it for this week. I remain your favorite ICT instructor and teacher, Mr. C.C. Morris. See you again next week. Don't forget to be good, guys, and be safe, all right? Bye, guys.